Hi everyone, so today's tutorial is going to be about how to protect your playback from masters, including Grandmaster, Submaster, DBO, master release or shift release, and also from swap. So this is how it's going to be done. It's simple, very simple. So take your playback, triple click or click on the screen 3 times. It takes you to the view options or playback options or queue stack options. Go in advanced tab, and in a new version it's called ignore masters. You have to say yes. If you have an older version than mine, you're gonna have the title that says masters effect level, and it states as yes, but you make it as no. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here, how it says in the other menu. And after that, that's it pretty much. So that's all you have to do. So now, if you have that playback running, now try to use the Grandmaster, nothing. So you can see here, Grandmaster at 0, it has not affected this. So try to use the Submaster, again, nothing. Try to use DBO, nothing. Try to do use the add and swap. So now this goes in a swap mode. So normally if I run this one, it should kill this one temporarily, but no, nothing. You see, it stays on and it's not getting affected. So the other one is also, it's going to protect it from shift release. So if you do shift release, it will not kill. So it kills all the playbacks except for this one because it is protected. So the only way to kill it is either use this one and put the fader down, or when you select the playback, press release, and then it's going to be released. Otherwise, you cannot kill it. So I hope it was useful and you can use it in your next project. And please sign up to my channel, press like. And again, if you're not sure where to use it, it's fairly simple. Let's say if you're in a nightclub and you want to put some lights on the bar area and you don't want those lights to be affected whilst you're actually programming the lights for the show or for the artist, you can always protect it from being affected by all the masters, and also including, as I showed you, from shift release. Hope that was useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.